Very good morning, students. Previous class I have explained question number first. That is based on same base, same multiplication, and we will add both the power. In this second question, here division is given, not multiplication. Has same base, but division is given. So which type of formula we will use? Which type of process we will use here? So we will use here, if base is same means a power m divide a power n, then in this case we have to subtract a power m minus n. We will subtract both the power. Okay, if division is there, base is same, then we will subtract both the power in this case. Okay, so here just you see 2 power 7 divide 2 power 4. So 2 power 7 and here 2 power 4, both are same base and power is different, but division is given, we divide. So we will subtract both the power. 2 power 7 minus 4 will come. We will subtract. Okay, so after subtracting, what will come? 2 power 3 will come. Okay, so this is the final answer. 7 minus 4, 2 power 3. Next one, in B part also same process. You have to use 9 power 10 divide 9 power 3. 9 power 10 and divide 9 power 3. So base is same again, 9 base, and power is different and division is given. So we will do here 10 minus 3. Okay, so 10 minus 3 means 7. It will come 9 power 7. This is the final answer. Next one, C part, minus 12 power 4 divide minus 12 power 2. So it will come minus 12 power 4 minus 2. Divide is there. So 12 minus 12 power 4 minus 2. So it will come minus 12 power 2 it will come. Okay, so final answer is minus 12 power 2 whole square is the answer. Next one, x power 15 and here x power 11 and here division is given. So we will subtract both the power again. So same base is there, variable, whatever variable is there, but base is same. So x power 15 minus 11, it will come x power 4. So this is the answer, x power 4. Okay. Next one, E part, 1 upon 3 whole power 7 divide 1 upon 3 whole power 5 is there. So just you see here, 1 upon 3 both has same base, 1 upon 3 fraction is there, and in between division is there. So we will subtract both the power. So 1 upon 3 power 7 minus 5. So it will come 1 upon 3 whole power 2. This is the answer. Okay. Next one, minus 8 upon 17 whole power 20 divide minus 8 upon 70 whole power 15. So just you see here, base is same again and power is different, but here division is given. So we will put here minus 8 upon 17 whole power 20 minus 15. So it will come minus 8 upon 17 whole power 5. So answer is minus 8 upon 17 whole power 5. Okay. Next one, we will take more example based on this question. Some variable are given. If this type of question are given, so what we do in that case means like this. In G part, x power 4 divide x power minus 2, like this will come. So what we'll do in this case, just solve here, x power 4 divide means here both has same base again, but here divide it here and power is 4, here power is minus. So in case of division we are subtracting, 1 minus will come in play because of this division, and before that here minus is also there, just you put here a small bracket minus 2 like this. Okay, after then we will remove this small bracket, minus minus will get plus. So it will come x power 4 plus 2, it will come x power 6. So and final answer is x power 6. Okay, next part, H, b power 7 divide b power minus 3. So again just you see here, both has same base, power is different and division is there. So we will subtract again. So b power 7 minus 3 it will come. So final answer will come b power 7 plus 3, it will come b power 10. Okay, this is the final answer. Like that you will do in the exercise whatever question will come in the question number 2. Okay, that's it.